Mari. We are celebrating 8th Road Safety Week in Goa. This rally has been organized to promote road safety awareness, to reduce the accidents, fatalities on the road. We are also educating the schools, colleges, workplaces and road users, other road users in this road safety week. This road safety week celebration will continue till tomorrow. It is not that we are only celebrating the road safety week for this week. We are celebrating road safety week throughout the year, and we have chalked out programs for different schools and colleges where we are training students and other road safety road users.
So how many colleges, schools have been visited or joined for the rally?
Mostly all the colleges have been visited, but it continues. This is a continuous program. So we will continue with the same program throughout the year.